Today, we're going to be installing this on this car. Stay tuned. Hey, young viral. All right, so there is no instructions given for this, is one reason why I'm making this video, but I believe it goes in with the FSWERKS. I bought this from FSWERKS. If you don't know about them, they do a lot of Ford and Focus parts in general. Probably where I'm going to get my turbo equipment for my Focus, but I believe that this is going to go in with the FSWERKS logo facing toward me and back like that. I believe that's how it's going to go. Well, I don't know. That's why I'm sitting here trying to test it right now to see if that's it. I think that's how it needs. I think this is how it needs to go. I'm going to install it this way, and if you know for sure how this is supposed to go, go ahead and drop me a comment in the comment section down here, telling me, hey, you did it wrong, make it again. But for now, this is how I'm going to do it. Let me see. I don't remember what these are, so I'm going to go and get the bolt specs for these so you will know. And I'll be right back. Stay tuned. All right, so the bolts here, 1, 2, and 3. These bolts are you need a 12mm socket to get these out, to loosen them up. So I'm going to go ahead and just loosen them up. And whatnot. At least try to. I think my battery might be dead, so I'm going to switch over. Gotta love old manual. I think I'm going to use an extension too. Give me a little bit of leverage. A little bit of height clearance, should I say. So I think it's going to go something like this. It's going to sit down there like that. And I'm going to go over here and take out the bolts. So stay tuned. All right, so I think when you install this, you need to take the 2 bolts off. This is for the 2005 Ford Focus, by the way. If you're just now tuning into the channel, I'm working on the 2005 Ford Focus. But you'll take the 2 strut bolts off where this needs to fit, and it has this nice little groove here on the stress bar that lets you know that it can fit, or that it will fit in between or around where the shocks sit into. That's pretty cool. The strut assembly sits in. So that's pretty cool. And then you'll go to the other side over here. Let me just zoom in. Go to the other side over here, and you'll place it in this respective place. And I believe, I don't know if the battery cover has to come out, or this has to slide forward, or what. Let me take the battery cover off real quick. So it sits like that. I don't know if I lose my battery cover or not. I'll have to find out. But that's how that's going to sit in on the car. And you're just going to tighten everything back down, and you'll be good to go. So let's start on that. I'm going to zoom out here, and we're going to just tighten them down. Since I started with the right side, I'm going to go and tighten the right side down. You want to start by threading them on hand tight, just so you don't cross thread. Then you can work on tightening them down. I believe these were 33 foot-pounds of torque that what it needs to be tightened to. The specs that need to be tightened to, I think it's 33 foot-pounds. All right, YouTube. So let's run through it. So this is how you want to set it up. Let me back up for you. So you want to set it up to where your FSWERKS and anywhere else, your logo is facing toward you, or yeah, your logo is facing toward you. So that means that your ends of your stress bar have to fit around the housing for the strut. If they don't, then you have it the wrong way. So if you flip this backwards, it won't fit right. So that's how you know you got it wrong. Pretty much, it's dummy proof, I guess. But you know, people probably will still try to install it backwards. So on this end, you see how, zoom in for you. You see how it's setting. So this is contouring with the strut tower. You want to make sure that your stress bar is contouring like that, and you should have it set up right. Anyway, that's going to be a little short video. Tune in next week, and or tune in this weekend. I'm going to be doing a video about changing the front end of a 2008 or through 2010 for a Focus onto a 2005 through 2007 for a Focus, and I'm going to see if it works. So it's another one of those research videos. So stay tuned for that. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode. Peace. But yeah, I just got back from my drive with the stress bar installed, and I can tell you, if you have not installed the stress bar or don't know where it is, go check it out. Install the stress bar in your car. Like, it's night and day difference. Like, there's a lot less body roll in the car when I'm driving. Like, I'm serious. It's night and day difference. Go try it. Make your car feel better. Like, this is just one of those things I think that you need. If you care about, cornering, you don't have to corner fast, but even just cornering normally, you're going to get a lot less body roll with the stress bar. Go get it. This is not an endorsement for FSWERKS. Like, I mean, literally, look, I mean, I'm just a guy fixing his car. It works. See you next time.